This week in U.S. immigration news, we are going to cover: bipartisan senators met for immigration reform, employers seeking foreign workers face proposed fees, DHS implements new processes for Cubans, Haitians and Venezuelans, Biden and López Obrador vow to tackle immigration, Supreme Court rejects Republican bid to defend Trump immigration rule. After President Biden made a trip to El Paso, Texas over the weekend, a group of senators visited the same area on Monday as they worked on a legislative response to the surge of migrants along the southern border. The bipartisan group, led by Senator John Cornyn, met with city officials, nonprofits and business owners to discuss the effects migration has on the city. The group of senators also toured a temporary facility for migrants and renewed their commitment to finding a legislative solution to address immigration. The group agreed to form a bipartisan coalition to develop a plan in the new Congress. Any plan they come up with must receive bipartisan support to get the necessary 60-vote threshold. U.S. businesses that use foreign workers are facing concern over proposed fee increases. USCIS has not updated its fees since 2016, but the proposed increases would be used for employment visa applications. The proposed fee increases could have a major impact on small businesses, nonprofits, and educational institutions that hire employees on H-1B visas or sponsor workers for green cards. USCIS is mainly funded by its application fees rather than appropriations and has stated that the increases are necessary for maintaining the agency's operations at a time of increased migration to the U.S. DHS has announced a safe and lawful way for qualifying Cubans, Haitians, and Nicaraguans with U.S. sponsors to travel by air to and temporarily live in the United States. Those arriving under the new process will also be able to apply for work authorization. DHS also announced the elimination of the numerical cap for a similar process for Venezuelans announced earlier this year. This new process will allow qualifying nationals of Cuba, Haiti and Nicaragua to come to the U.S. if they live outside the country and are lacking U.S. entry documents. President Joe Biden and Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador vowed to reform immigration from Mexico to the United States when they met on Tuesday. López Obrador said he has asked Biden to urge Congress to regularize the migration situation of millions of Mexicans who have been living and working in the United States. Biden, López Obrador and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau met for their two-day summit to discuss issues such as the surge of immigrants arriving in the United States. The three leaders agreed to push for progress on issues beyond immigration, such as drug trafficking, supply chains and climate change. The U.S. Supreme Court rejected an attempt by a group of Republican state officials to revive a Trump administration policy which barred certain immigrants deemed likely to require government benefits from gaining lawful permanent residency. There was an appeal by 14 Republican state attorneys general of a lower court ruling against their request to keep Trump's public charge rule after President Biden stopped defending the measure and later ended it. The policy was developed by the Trump administration in February 2020 and ended by Biden in March 2021.
Friends, show us some love and smash the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you have an immigration problem or need a second opinion because you cannot get a hold of your own lawyer, schedule a meeting with our team. Share information with our cares team and they will help you get scheduled with our legal team. Now here's a secret code to unlock the free 15 minutes.